Hi, welcome to the channel. In the garage today we've got a Fiat 124 1600 Sport, and it's in the garage for us to do the diff oil seal.
None of this was planned.
Well, the first thing you need to do is undo these 13mm bolts which holds the prop shaft to the diff. As you can see, this side of the bolt sits against the side of the UJ there, so it doesn't spin when you undo the bolt. Well, as you can see, we've moved the prop shaft now and you can see the oil just dripping out around the seal, which isn't good at all. Right, so we're just going to drain the diff oil now. We didn't think much was left in here, so we're just going to drain it. Then put your diff plug back in after giving it a clean. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then get a 24mm socket and undo the nut on the diff. Then the whole plate will slide off. Then when the plate's off, you'll see the seal, oil seal, which is behind all that dirt and oil there. Give that a good old clean. Then get a very small screwdriver in and try and tap the old oil seal out. Right, we've put a very small little bit of sealant around this just to make sure it doesn't leak again. Then get a small hammer, just give it some little light taps just to start it off. You need this to go in square. It can't be a funny angle going in, or you'll have problems. Then what we've done is we've got quite a big socket over it. Give it a couple of hard taps. Then you know it's in there well. Right, now it's time to reassemble. Just make sure your parts are nice and clean. There's no grit or dirt behind anything. Right, so just do the reverse of what you've done to take it off. And obviously, don't forget to put the diff oil back in. At the end of the video, the car will be started and driven out the garage, so you can hear the engine.